About how to assign array references. So assigning array references, as with other objects, when you assign one array reference variable to another, you are simply changing what object that variable refers to. You are not causing a copy of the array to be made, nor are you causing the contents of one array to be copied to the other. So, with the help of array reference, we can assign the value from one to another, or we cannot cause a copy of array to be made, but we can just make a different reference for a different array. Let's see the code, how we can implement this code. Array difference. So here we take a class, assign array a reference, and in which we make a public static void main, that is main method, and inside the main method, first of all I declare an variable, that is I, and then declare or in two array, that is num1 and num2, and give its length up to 10. First of all, we put the value, that is num I is, for I is equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus 1 and plus plus, and here I put the value of num1 I is equals to I. Whatever the value of 0 to 10, it will be print on num of I, num1 of I. In the same way, I can print the same second value as well, that is num2, but in place of num2 dot I used minus sign. So it gives me the positive result, it gives me the negative result. And here I print the num1, and in this way we traverse the value and just print it. And in the second way we print the num2. In the same way we assign the value, traverse the value and print it in. And then we use num1 is equals to num2. Here num2 refers to num1. Now num1 will become num2. And then we print system.out print. Here is num2 after assignment, that is I 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, and in this way we can do assignment of a reference. And then we use the same thing and we put a value, that is num2 of 3 is equals to 99, and here is num1 after change to num2. So just save it and let's see the code. We are already in the file, so just save it, execute it, and it compiles successfully. Let's run it. See, it will give us the value, that is first of all num1, that is 0 to 9, and then num2, that is 0 to minus 9, and here is num2 after assignment, it will become num1. So after assignment num2 is 9, and num1 after assignment num1 is changed to num2, so the value is same as in num2. So in this way we can use the array reference to assignment, or we can use the array reference for assignment. Thank you.